guys, me and my husband just recently moved into a new house in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we needed locks rekeyed quickly. So basically I made a research on Google and I found MB Locksmith, and I simply called to the owner and he did everything really quickly. Next day, the tech, Jacob, actually came to our house, and he was so professional and friendly, by the way, which is quite amazing. He found some issues with our locks, but he fixed everything really well, and that was quite cool. So basically, I had a great experience, and our locks now are really good, and we have keys, everything. So basically, we paid $149 for the service, for rekeying 5 locks, and for 5 copies of keys. So I think it's quite cheap, isn't that? So if you need anything like that, you should simply well, maybe call them, and well, I personally will totally work with them in the future. So thank you for watching the video.